Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make leads in Serum. We'll begin by selecting a foundational waveform, typically a saw or square, for our primary oscillator. Next, we'll activate the unison feature, expanding the sound to multiple voices. A subtle detuning of these voices, perhaps by around 5 to 10 cents, will introduce a pleasing width and a sense of movement. Finally, we'll use a low-pass filter to sculpt the high frequencies, giving our lead its characteristic warmth and presence. Now, let's add some life to our lead using envelopes and LFOs. For a punchy sound, set your amplitude envelope with a quick attack, perhaps around 10 milliseconds, and a decay of about 200 milliseconds. A moderate sustain level, around 70%, will keep it present. Then, assign an LFO to your filter cutoff, using a rate of 1/8 or 1/16 notes to create a rhythmic pulse. A very subtle LFO on the pitch, with a depth of 1 or 2 cents, can add a nice vibrato. To truly make your lead stand out, effects are crucial. Start with some distortion or overdrive to introduce harmonic richness and a bit of aggression. A drive setting of around 25% often works well. Next, a compressor will help even out the sound, ensuring consistent volume and punch. Then, add a touch of reverb, perhaps with a decay time of 1 to 2 seconds to give it space. Finally, a delay, synchronized to your track's tempo, will create engaging rhythmic echoes. For the final touches, ensure your lead sits perfectly in the mix. Adjust its overall volume so it's prominent but not overpowering. Use an equalizer to cut any muddy low mids or harsh high frequencies, typically around 250 Hz or 5 kHz, respectively. Stereo widening can make your lead feel larger than life, but use it sparingly to maintain mono compatibility. Remember, experimentation with Serum's vast waveatable library can unlock countless unique lead sounds, so don't be afraid to explore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.